In the dim shadows of the Dark Ages, a time marked by mystery and myth, the medieval knights stood as icons of courage and chivalry. Our story unfolds in the kingdom of Avalon, a realm shrouded in mist and legends, where noble knights were both guardians of the realm and backbones of the sovereign. Sir Alaric was one such knight, renowned for his unwavering dedication to the code of chivalry. His armor gleamed like the scales of a dragon as he rode into battles, his banner fluttering in the icy wind. Beneath the cold steel and the warrior's guise lay a secret that could unravel the very fabric of knighthood, a forbidden love with Lady Eveline, the daughter of a rival baron. The relationship between Alaric and Eveline was a clandestine affair protected by the veil of night and silence. Their passion was intense, fueled by stolen moments beneath the moonlit sky, hidden in the ruins of an ancient castle. Alaric's loyalty to his sovereign and his oath as a knight made the couple's romance perilously forbidden. The plot thickened when whispers of rebellion began to sweep through Avalon. The rival baron's ambitions threatened to topple the kingdom into chaos, and his schemes roused suspicions of betrayal even among Alaric's comrades. Knights no longer trusted one another, and every action was met with scrutiny. Through the growing tensions, Eveline found herself caught between familial duty and her heart's call. Her father's ruthless pursuit of power risked tearing apart the realm and her secret love affair with Alaric. In a desperate attempt to save Avalon from destruction, Alaric embarked on a perilous journey to uncover the truth behind the Baron's intentions. With each step closer to unraveling the conspiracy, Alaric faced threats from both allies and foes. The stakes grew higher, and the cost of failure meant losing everything he held dear, including Eveline. At the heart of the orchestrated chaos was an ancient manuscript, rumored to hold the key to Avalon's salvation or ruin. In a dramatic twist, Sir Alaric discovered that Lady Eveline herself was privy to her father's treachery all along. Her moral conflict offered a surprising ally, as she provided vital information to aid Alaric's quest. Together, they confronted the cunning Baron, revealing his dark plot to the kingdom. Through courage and sacrifice, the rebellion was quashed. Alaric's love for Eveline became a symbol of hope, reconciliation, and unity between rival factions. Their clandestine affair, once a secret that could bring downfall, ended up restoring peace to Avalon. In the annals of medieval history, the story of Sir Alaric and Lady Eveline remains a hidden but cherished tale, an emblem of love that defied duty and of valor that bridged enmities. The secrets they bore echoed through generations, reminding that even in the darkest of times, the light of truth and love can banish shadows.